আমাদের ইনস্ট্যান্ট কো ইনস্ট্যান্ট আইরে ইনস্ট্যান্ট আইরে তোকে কি করছে রে ও ডিস্টার্বে হাই বস हमको এটা করছে গুসামি বিস্কুট দিবি না বিস্কুট খাবি না আরে ওই দেখো আমাকে এখানে ডিস্টার্ব করেছে পাও ছুড়িছে এ ঘর গেল ও ঘর মেরে সাটাইছে ডিস্টার্ব আই ডোন্ট গিভ রেস্ট তো he's so frightened. His anguish from underneath people. So he disturbed. Today is 9th March. Early morning. I'm giving his all support. Biscuit, Lucy, the bread, doing it. Fried rice, nothing he used to do. He just disturbed. He used to ask him some love or to remove or to reduce his inner pain, anxiety of mind. Nobody is there. Last another 3 days, he has become for only 1 hour, 2 hours hardly he seen on one day with his two earlier nephews. They have again gone away. Her sister has gone away. His mother, when came yesterday, he was not there. চলো আমি দেখেছি আমি তো না তোমাকে কি কইছি আমি তোমার ভিডিও লেইছি তোমার রোগ তোমাকে ডিস্টার্ব করেছি আন্ডার নিচ্ছি আমি ওই জন্যই ভিডিও নিয়েছি I am taking video. Who are disturbing you from underneath? So you why you are so disturbed, so restless, so as if in grief or pain, so in anxiety, you are in stress, you are not sleeping, you have forget to eat, you have no mind in eating, you are so alone, you have been alone. All has been killed or misplaced where brutally to drag mind mesmerizing, putting in the plate, to drag as they to bring snakes from long distance, to elephant to bring in this locality from deep forest, the birds, animal human to bring that dishonest people to mind mesmerizing as if to kill me or to disturb me. This way these criminals are so bad. Was asking a companion is in deep the grief and fear, anxiety and animosity from underneath. Is always to disturb state. He's only alone. Nobody is to. He cannot see in the eye. He has not elder brother. He seen last 3 days ago. When he is not coming again, he is becoming missing or is not being allowed, being frightened, or had been killed. So brutally, what I have showing this video in serially. My earlier last 5-6 years, they have killed at least 40. 40 kittens have been killed, mainly 1 or 2 maybe misplaced. So intentionally they to make it misplaced. They are veterinarian, Indian Bengali culprit criminals, worst criminals. I have complained, shouting to call complaint. As a horrible situation about the life of Indians, humans, animals, birds, They cannot stay, they cannot walk. There are only two difficult phases in taking respiration, body movement, head heaviness, body legs suddenly be heavy, paralyzed, twisted, chest pain, vomiting, reaction, evacuation, urination, all of it. And at the moment, instant, yes, he's alone. He has made alone. Unless 2-3 I sing 2-3 days in Kazan, but they are not to remain in my hermitage in fear of these underneath people. To see these people, they so fear them to not enter, as they to bring strength. If this cat will not be, then they can allow me to kill me in my absent mind, or they will enter my beds, rooms, here and there. So that is their intention, bad, these people to make alert about these criminals underneath. Here is a total now absent mind. Unless you will try to attack me to draw for him attention, affection, fondness, helping, to doing, make something to cool and make calm, rest, to take anxiety free. वो बहुत दुखी आधा लोग नीचे से देखता है, जो बहुत प्यार करता है, वो आधा नीचे दूर से टेलीस्कोप देखता है। सत्तू आइंस्टाइन का है, वो कहता मैं इसको प्लेन में चढ़ाई कर लेता, मैं रखूँ कैसे, हम लोग डिस्टर्ब एरिया में है, कौन ले आता है तो उसको प्लेन में ले लेता, तो भेज देता। उन लोगों का बात आते नीचे कभी कभी सुनता है, उनके पास आता है, लेकिन दूसरे उसको डिस्टर्ब करता है। आँखें हो जाए वो बिस्कुट तो दिलाम तो खा लेना शेपर हाले शेपर स्लिप